what's happening on Saturday?
It's my birthday
It's your
party.
birthday party. And what are you doing for your birthday party?
I'm having a sleepover.
You're having your first ever sleepover. We're going
No,
to
not
have...
my first ever.
How many girls are we going to have in the house? We're going to have 7 girls in the house, aren't we?
Including one boy.
Who's the boy?
Hedgie.
Oh, okay. I was getting worried then. So Freya, would you like to make some special gifts for your friends for Saturday?
Yeah.
Yeah? Would you like to make some key rings?
Yeah.
Yeah? So Mummy's had an idea, okay? So Mummy's idea is, you see these moulds that Mummy's made in the past, so this is just silicone, and then we put the actual item in, so like a sweet or something like that, and then it leaves an impression and it goes hard, so we can then use these as moulds for the Fimo. So what I was thinking, Freya, is that we could make some special sweetie themed key rings for all your friends.
Yeah.
Yeah? Perfect. Should we get cracking?
Yeah.
Yeah. So Freya, you need to mould this yellow into this white. Can you do that for me?
Yeah.
Yeah? And Mummy is going to mould some pink into the white.
Hey, I want to do the pink.
Choose what?
Yeah.
Okay, hang on. Right. You mould that one,
Pink's my favourite colour.
and I'll mould this one. Okay? It's a bit tricky. You've got to use the heat from your hands, okay?
Okay.
And watch. So what you can do is you can roll it like this, and it gets a bit crumbly, and then you compact it all together again, and it gradually mixes the colour in.
Ooh.
So you'll eventually have like a pastel pink poppet. Beautiful pastel pink. Okay?
Let's squish that down.
Freya, what are you most excited about on Saturday?
Probably playing most of the game and seeing my friends.
You see your friends? Yeah.
That's the most important bit.
Yeah.
And having fun.
Yeah. And what is it that you love about making special gifts for your friends?
That I can make them happy and it's fun to make them.
Yeah.
And I want them to enjoy it.
How does creating art make you feel?
It makes me feel love.
It makes you feel love.
Love.
It makes you feel a very beautiful heart. Tell me more about it making you feel love, sweetie.
Because it's what I made for. And I like it.
Yeah. Should we crack the blue open? Which one do you want to do? The green?
Yeah.
I'll get the green open for you, ready? So Freya, do you ever feel worried, Poppet?
Sometimes at school. Just because I might be worried of not having anybody to play with. That happens sometimes, but not all the time.
Sorry,
And I'd
sweetie.
be worried because it might rain while I'm outside, but I don't normally get worried about that. And I might be worried because someone might come up to me and say that they don't want to be friends with me anymore, which will probably not happen.
I was going to say, that's never happened to you, has it?
No, never.
But you worry about it, do you?
I worry.
Oh, I'm sorry, sweetie. And how do you find doing this now with Mummy and doing art when you were making Hedgie's special house today? How does that affect you when you feel worried when you do art?
It makes me feel calm. It makes me feel happy.
Yeah.
And lovely.
It makes you feel calm, happy and lovely. It's beautiful sausage. I love that. In fact, it looks a little bit like a sausage.
Sausage dog.
A sausage dog. So what would you like to be, Freya? What would you like to be when you leave school?
I want to have 2 jobs that I know. It looks like a brain.
It does look a bit like a brain. You want to have 2 jobs?
Yeah. I want to be an artist.
That's perfect. What kind of art would you do?
Actually, I want to have 3 jobs.
Well, yeah, why not? Have 3 jobs. What kind of jobs would you like to do then? So you want to be an artist is one of them. What kind of art? What kind of artist?
Like paint art, where you get to get a paintbrush and you go. And I want to be a swimming teacher.
A swimming teacher, okay, yeah.
I actually want to have 4 jobs.
Jobs are increasing. Are you going to have a portfolio career?
Yeah.
Lots of jobs,
And I want
okay.
to be in the...
So do you think by having all those jobs that you've told me that you want to have, do you think that you'll have lots of money?
Yeah.
Yeah? What would you
I want to be a millionaire.
You want to be a millionaire? And if you were a millionaire, what would you do with the money?
I would buy a mansion.
A mansion.
I would buy
Yeah.
a horse.
A horse.
I would buy a golf course, a playground, a swimming pool, a hot tub in my garden. I would buy myself 2 Lamborghinis.
Two Lamborghinis.
And a lorry.
And a lorry. Right, shall I show you, Poppet, how to make one of these?
Are you done with that?
Yeah, pretty much.
Can you do mine?
Yeah. Right, you don't need very much. Can I just show you what you need to do? So, you need to take a little bit like this.
I just need that.
So you need a bit, probably about this much, okay? And then you need to roll it into a ball.
Okay.
Put that up there. Don't squidge it down yet. What do you want for the bottom? Green?
Green.
Okay. So then we're going to get a bit of the green. Then you put that there, and then push them down a little bit with your finger.
But I want some pink as well.
Right. Push them down with your finger.
Oh, okay.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
And I'll have to help you peel them out so we don't break them. Look at that! Right, wait, let me do the hole because I don't want you to poke your fingers. So we're going to use a dull needle and just make a little hole through the top end of our Fimo sculpture. And make sure it's big enough for the keyring to go through.
Sorry, I'm just coming in on why you do that.
Okay, there we go. So you should have something that looks like that. And then, Freya, you can go and pop that on the tray then, sausage, okay?
This is just one for me.
Okay, that's fine.
Oh, I have a joke. I have 2 jokes.
Go on then.
No, hold on.
Go on then.
What? How do you throw a party in space?
I don't know how she's
You
going.
plan it.
Oh.
How do you open a banana?
Don't know.
You get a monkey.
Oh, a monkey. Very good. Right, let me just tidy up the edges. Ready for magic?
Magic.
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 Ready? I'm going to give it a good old...
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. It's a bit.
Oh,
I don't know how you
it
can
came
say
out
it.
right.
No, it has a bit of cracks in it.
Give it a good old roll down. That's it.
Oop.
It's okay, don't worry about that. Don't worry, it's okay. And then I go the other way as well. Can you move it? Go that way. Right, so Freya, we went and picked your sister up from Beaver's whilst the Fimo was cooking in the oven. We've come back and it's all ready, isn't it? It's all cooked, it's all solid.
It's really nice.
Yeah, so you've got some beautiful gifts to give to your friends now, haven't you?
Yeah.
What do you think they'll say when they see them?
I think they'll say, thank you, Freya, I like them so much.
Should we put the keychains on?
Yeah, can you show me?
Yeah, so
Do it on this one, do it on this one, do it on this one.
I think what we need to do,
Do it on this one, do it.
what we need to do is get the hoop.
Yeah.
Oh, you want to do this one? Okay. So what we need to do is get the hoop, okay?
Mhm.
You need to find where the hoop starts. This might be a bit tricky for you, my lovely. And then
I've got one.
I'm going to feed this through the hole we've made. And then the key ring.
That's so cool!
Ta-da! Should we do some more? So Freya, what do you think about what you've made today?
I think they're really cool.
Really cool. Did you think you'd be able to do this at the beginning?
No.
You didn't think you'd be able to do it? But you did do it, didn't you?
Yeah.
Because you're super clever and artistic. High five or big tens?
Big time.
Big tens.
Too big.
So should we say bye?
Bye!